A tiny, fragile butterfly struggled to emerge from its cocoon one sunny day. Nearby, a diligent ant watched the spectacle with curiosity. The ant, known for its industriousness, felt a sense of compassion for the delicate creature. The butterfly finally broke free and, weak and wobbly, took its first flight. It soon found itself trapped in a spider's web, unable to escape. The ant, who had been observing from a distance, rushed to help. With great care, the ant began to untangle the web, freeing the butterfly bit by bit. The butterfly was grateful, but still fragile, and asked the ant to accompany it to a safer place. The ant agreed and they embarked on a journey together, the ant guiding the butterfly through the forest, helping it avoid thorns and puddles. The butterfly, once fearful and weak, began to gain strength as it flew alongside its new friend. As they reached a beautiful meadow, the butterfly thanked the ant for its kindness and said, "I will never forget your help. You showed me that even the smallest creatures can make a big difference." The ant smiled and replied, "It is our duty to help one another, no matter how big or small we may be. We all have something valuable to offer." From that day forward, the butterfly flourished in the meadow, spreading beauty and grace wherever it went. And the ant continued on its journey, always ready to lend a helping hand to any creature in need. Moral: help one another, for we all have something valuable to offer.